Oh. Oh. I love garlic, you love garlic, everybody loves garlic. And that made me wonder, can I make a recipe with 100 garlic cloves that doesn't piss anybody off? Of course, we can have all the garlic we want, but we gotta have meat. So I selected these beautiful polderhoenen, which is basically a location in the Netherlands where they have these beautiful chickens, and they are so delicate, so tender, and so tasty. But more importantly, what are we going to do with it? Well, I got this, and that's what we're going to stuff into the chicken. I got a letter of consent from the chicken, Morrison, don't worry about it. It's gonna happen. You can use fresh garlic like this. Well, this is dried garlic, but you understand what I mean. It's garlic that hasn't been processed. Or you can use garlic from a can. Now, normally I don't use this, but I've tested this. Actually, you can see it in a vlog. And if you haven't checked out my vlog channel yet, well, the link's down below. Go there. Subscribe, you know, you might learn a thing or two. That sounds so weird. Nobody goes to a vlog to learn anything. No. It's not really true either. Well, no. I was talking about garlic. Back to the garlic, focus. Of course, the difference between having fresh, dried, not processed garlic or garlic that's in a jar is the flavor. Now, yesterday I extensively tested it to make sure that we can actually use this. And the conclusion was, it's just better than this for the recipe that we're making today. So I was lucky, Morrison. I was lucky, you were lucky. You don't have to peel 100 cloves of garlic today. Of course, we're going to need some flavor besides the garlic on our chicken. So we're going to make a barbecue rub consisting of 1 part salt, 1 part paprika powder, 1 part curry powder, half a part onion powder, half a part garlic powder, and half a part ground black pepper. Mix it all up and then put it on our chicken, and oh boy, does she look pretty. Make sure you get some on the inside as well, and this thing would taste amazing as it is. But now we're gonna make it even better. Time to put a pan on the stove, set it to medium heat, add olive oil to it, and then add the garlic cloves. Like I said, these garlic cloves are different than the ones that you might be used to fresh. They have been brined, just like we like the brined olives or the brined capers. It's a very normal process in cooking. So these already taste good, but the first thing that we're going to do is going to extract as much moisture out of these garlic cloves as we can. So we keep them at medium heat while stirring them around, expelling all of that moisture and all of those juices that are in the garlic cloves. We want pure flavor. We're just going to keep on stirring until they turned half the size and browned up a little bit. You know when they're done? When you can push them with your spoon and they split open. Then we're going to add some ground black pepper to it. Let the brown pepper toast as well. A little bit of fresh parsley, and we don't need to add any salt because these garlic cloves are already salty. They look so good, and like with anything, we got to do our quality check. Of course, I'm a good chef. I need to check. Oh, Morrison, try one. You're gonna love this. Oh. That's totally not what you expected, right? No. It is so good. It's like a caper or like an olive, but then tastier, like with garlic, and it's like super good. So like, But now we gotta put it in the chicken. I'm gonna take a bamboo skewer, and I'm gonna take my chicken, and I gotta sew it up because I don't want the garlic to drop out. So I'm just gonna poke that through the skin, and it's sealed off, just like that. Now, it's time. It's time to start adding the garlic cloves, and they're still warm and hot, so we can dump them right in. And this helps with the chicken. If you put them in warm, it makes it easier for the chicken to cook, warm up from the inside, so you don't have to overcook the outside of the chicken. If you put in cold stuffing into a bird like this, you have to overcook the outside with the meat while you wait for the inside to be fully cooked. And now we're just putting that hot stuff in. Let that chicken already preheat on the inside. Woo! I think this is more than 100 garlic cloves. This is closer to, ow, the pan is still hot. Ow! This is closer to, I think, 300 garlic cloves. Oh, chicken stuffed with garlic. This is gonna be so amazing. Never tried this before, but I'm weirdly excited. All right, let's sew this chicken up. There we go. There we go. And just seal it off. Boom. Bird fully closed up. Ready to go on the barbecue. Ready to be smoked. That's gonna be so good. Let's fire up the barbecue. Our burnhard flint is up to temperature and we're gonna put our garlic chicken inside. Look at that beauty sit. Oh, this is going to taste so good. I bet you guys it's going to be amazing. I got a good feeling, but I want to make sure I get the temperature right. So I'm going to stick in my thermometer to make sure we get it exactly right. Close the lid and let the barbecue do its job. Oops, I did it again. Oh, I got a broken rib, so I shouldn't laugh, but this is really, really good looking. Crazy good. Oh, man, and the smell that comes off this chicken, it's absolutely insane. But the reality is, we need to try to make sure, but hey man, there's no doubt in my mind that this is going to be awesome. Taking off a little bit of that breast piece. This chicken is so crazy juicy. Look at this. I'm not even squeezing it, but if I squeeze it, look, it's like juice is running out of it.
Whoa. Oh, oh wow.
Oops, I did it again. On a scale from 1 to 10, like a million, man. I can't laugh. It hurts so much. But seriously, this is so good. Freaking awesome, man.
Seriously, just realize that I'm eating 1 or 2 garlic cloves every bite. That's crazy.
Oh, this is so freaking awesome. This is gonna be a standard recipe. If I ever write a book again, guys, I'm gonna put this recipe in.
It's weird, man. It's like, it's so addictive. You eat a garlic clove and within a second after eating it, you think, hey, I forgot how it tastes like. I'm gonna eat another one. That's what it does to you.
Man, I love this. Why didn't I make this before? That's my biggest regret.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
No, do you like garlic? Not really.
What's happening?
I don't know, it's just not a garlic kind of dog.
Is the CIA behind this?
It's just like everybody's different, Roel. You're acting weird. Yeah, just go.
Take the whole thing, go.
Go.
I like her enthusiasm.
Yeah.
She really loves this recipe.
We actually made it for the dog.
Yeah, it's dog food.
Yeah.
Ow. Oh, don't make me laugh. Morrison, stop making me laugh.
Okay,
I'm getting angry now.
just close off. I'm gonna eat this wing, I think.
Yeah, but I want more garlic. It's mine.
But I did like that curry chicken more. Yeah, come on, curry chicken. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you try this. Look up the recipe in our feed. Look up the recipe on our website. The link is down below. I want to thank all the patrons, all the YouTube members. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
keep on smiling.
keep on smiling.
Keep on grilling.